Where do we start from answering this question? Putting a thread on a baby's head, does it stop hiccups? I guess it's an old myth, and people tend to believe what they believe. Medically, does it work? Who knows? Not done a research into this. But what are hiccups, first of all? Before we understand what can cure a hiccup. But if you've put a thread on a baby's hair and the hiccup has stopped, well, good on you. The answer to this question is so long that it requires a lot of research. What do you think the answer is?